Hello everyone! Let me introduce to you the last addition to Vanitem range, Mini Giudecca Indoor Sounder. Mini Giudecca is the continuation of a project that we have started last year with Giudecca, an in-wall sounder for outdoors. Here I am today to present you Mini Giudecca, an in-wall sounder for indoor applications. This is how Mini Giudecca looks. A front plate in white ABS with a matte effect. It has a fixing structure with a buzzer inside. These two pieces can be easily fixed by pushing the front plate to the structure. Mini Giudecca is also available in L version. This version comes with a LED module, which you can also buy separately as a spare part and add it to the Mini Giudecca later during installation. You just need to push it to the Mini Giudecca to get all the functions of the LED strip. Thanks to the removable terminal block, wiring is very easy. Once the wiring is done, you just have to put the terminal block in place. We have one common positive and three negatives to make the most of the open collector outputs of the control panel. The temper is sold as optional too. Standard color of the front plate is white. Matte gray and matte black are available as optional and they are sold separately. Upon request, Mini Giudecca can be customized with special colors and logos. The buzzer has three inputs, two positive and one negative input. This way you can set two different sounds with two tones for different functions. Let's say pre-alarm and alarm. For example, you can make the customer understand if the alarm comes from an intrusion attempt to the perimeter or CCTV system or from the proper intrusion system. Thanks to Mini Giudecca, you don't have to install just a simple buzzer inside a recessed box, where the sound would be softened. The grills in the front plate let the sound be propagated at best, reaching 105 dBs at 30 centimeters, the best performance together with the most elegant visual effect. Mini Giudecca L has three different ways of visual communication. The middle blue LED for system status, 5 white LEDs as walkway lights, for example if mains is cut off as emergency light, and 5 blue LEDs for courtesy light, for example to be used during night time. LED inputs are obviously independent from sound inputs. To make Mini Giudecca as universal as possible, a recessed mounting kit is available as optional. This is a universal junction box that is fully compatible to Mini Giudecca and that can be used both for brick and plasterboard walls. Don't forget to download the Mini Giudecca brochure from our website linked below. We will be in touch soon with many other news.